Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your content marketing with BuzzSumo, full guide step by step clearly. To begin upgrading your content marketing with BuzzSumo, first, visit the BuzzSumo website and create an account. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its features. Next, use the search bar to enter relevant keywords or topics related to your niche. Analyze the results to identify the most shared content across various social platforms. Pay attention to engagement metrics like shares, comments, and backlinks. Use these insights to understand what type of content resonates with your audience. Then, dive deeper into specific articles by clicking on them to explore their performance in detail. Look for patterns in the content format, length, and visuals that contribute to its success. Now, navigate to the trending section to discover what's currently popular in your industry. Utilize the content alerts feature to set notifications for new content within your niche or for specific keywords. This will help you stay updated on emerging trends and fresh content ideas. Next, consider using the influencer tool to identify key figures in your field. Reach out to them for potential collaborations or guest blogging opportunities. Now, leverage the analysis of competitors by using the Content Analyzer tool. Enter your competitor's URL to see their top-performing content. Take note of their strengths and weaknesses to refine your own strategy. You should also explore the questions feature to find what questions people are asking related to your industry. This can inspire new content ideas that directly address your audience's needs. After gathering insights, create a content calendar to plan your upcoming articles and posts. Ensure you mix different content formats, such as blogs, infographics, and videos, to keep your audience engaged. Regularly review your metrics using BuzzSumo's analytical tools to measure the success of your content. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to continually improve your content marketing approach. Finally, stay consistent and patient. Content marketing is a long-term strategy that requires ongoing effort and adaptation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.